Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find duplicate content on your website and also how you can find broken links on your website as well. So in this tutorial we'll be using Siteliner to find all this on our site. So I think it's very much important to be doing this kind of checks on your website for your website to look very good, be up there and be topping in search results. All these things must be in place before you can be doing that on search engines. So here Siteliner is the site you'll be using. When you search Siteliner, this is what you're going to see here. This is their logo here and this is the official URL for Siteliner. So when you tap on the link, it will bring you somewhere here. So here you'd have to copy the link of your website and then you paste it. So you're going to use my tutorial website. So here, and now let's clear the and now let's tap on go here and then we go and we search. So yes, I've already done this to shorten this video. If I didn't do that, it will be loading for a long time and I would have to cut some of parts of the video. So you can see here my report is ready. This is a tutorial website just like I mentioned earlier. So here is the summary. So you can see my pages are 8 here. This is a young website. This is a young website you can see here. Just copy and paste to get some content here. So the pages are 8. They are saying my pages are 8 on here. My duplicate is 16% because I just copied and pasted them. So 8 times 8, which is 16, percentage wise is correct. And broken links here. So good. Let's tap on the broken links. So on here, if you have any sort of broken link, from the URL to the other page, the link out to the link in, which is internal, and this is external, and this is the page power. So I think every page like this, let me come here, every page like this have a power. So that's why they say you need to get good backlinks. So if you have a good backlinks, I think your page power would increase. If you have a lot of backlink, or the page power is going to be very high, it means the page is going to be authoritative, something like that. So if they search something in search engines, your page is going to top. So that's it on how you can find broken links. So after finding all these broken links, if it's 100, you're going to find all the 100 here. You can download the site report here and then later work on it. You can download it here and work on it later. For the duplicate content too, they are going to show you, let me come here for you guys to see. So when you tap on this URL per se, they are going to show you the page that is and paste. So everything here I just copied and pasted it here. So you can see 252 matching words. So every content duplicate on your website, you'll be notified. So that is how you check duplicate content score on your website. You can use other sites like SEMrush and the rest, but then this is the most simplest one and this is also free as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give this video a like and you subscribe to my channel, and if you are old here, I would say thank you for visiting me once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.